Are you planning a big move or just have stuff to shift? Finding the right removal company can make all the difference. In this video we'll explore when to use a removal company, the pros and cons, and how to choose the best one for your needs. Plus, we'll reveal a smart alternative that might save you some money and give you some more control over your move. Removal companies are perfect for big relocation jobs. If you're moving an entire house or need help with packing, loading, and driving, they've got you covered. They're also a great choice if you have excess rubbish to take to the dump or charity shop, or if you're upgrading appliances and need help moving the old ones. Here are some great benefits of using a removal company. There's no heavy lifting. Save your back and let the pros handle it all. No big vehicle driving. Don't worry about maneuvering a large truck or van. Door-to-door service. Many companies handle everything from packing to unpacking at your new place. Of course, there are some downsides too. It's expensive. Hiring movers can cost significantly more than other options. Timeline limitations. You'll need to work around their schedule, which might not be ideal. Damage or loss risks. Valuable or fragile items are safer if you move them yourself. Choosing the right removal company takes a bit of research. Here's the best way to do it. Look into multiple companies, check their websites and social media, get several quotes to compare prices, read reviews to ensure you're dealing with a trusted provider. Once you've weighed up costs, timelines, and reputation, you'll be ready to make an informed choice. Not every move needs a removal company. Sometimes the best option is to do it yourself. Renting a truck or a van is a cost-effective way to stay in control of your move. You pack, load, and drive on your own schedule without worrying about someone else handling your valuables. With Handy Rentals, you can hire a truck or van for as little or as long as you need. Our competitive rates and flexible rental periods make moving easy and affordable. Plus, you'll have a peace of mind knowing that you're in control of every step. Ready to take charge of your move? Visit Handy Rentals today to get a quote or book your rental vehicle. Whether you go with a removal company or choose to move yourself, make your next move stress-free with Handy Rentals. We're here to make your journey as smooth as possible.